Kuki MLA na pairamba committee ani gi chairman sindokre. Kuki MLA sing na pairamba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi committee ani gi chairman sindokre. Hiram asiga mari laina na Manipur Legislative Assembly gi secretary ke magazine na bulletin thokre aire. Chairman oiramba gi sindokre basing adudi Committee on Government Assurance ki chairman oiramba Haukolet Kipgen amasung Library Committee gi chairman Bungjagen Balte ne. Manipur Legislative Assembly na ngarang thokiba bulletin part 2 gi matungin na Committee on Government Assurance ki chairman asing Mau SG MLA Lesi Dikho na pairaga ni amasung Library Committee gi chairman na Lamlai SG MLA Khongban Tavam ibom sana oiraga neng Assembly ki Committee on Government Assurance asing Losi Dikho na chairman oiraga MLA sing Kangujam Ranjit Karam Siam Ngursanglur Sanate Rajkumar Imo amasung Saik Nurul Hasan na member oire. Library Committee asina Khongban Tabam ibom sana chairman oiraga KH Ragumane, Nisikan Sapam, Thangjam Arun Kumar, Paulian Lal Haukip amasung Sagwal Sem KV Devi na member sing oiba ne. Amarom da Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Committee on Public Undertaking ki chairman so MLA Mayang Lambam Rameswar no oiraga ne. Hiram asiga mari laina na Manipur Legislative Assembly ki secretary ke magazine na bulletin na masuthokre.